Ever pondered on how to bring the exotic flavors of authentic Moroccan couscous into your home kitchen? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to unravel the secret to making this North African staple step by step. A journey to Morocco may not be on the cards right now, but fear not, we can bring Morocco to you. The magic begins with the right ingredients. To create the perfect Moroccan couscous, you'll need couscous, olive oil, an assortment of colorful vegetables, a selection of spices, and some tender meat, usually lamb or chicken. Now let's get cooking. Start by rinsing the couscous under cold water, then drain it and set it aside. Next, heat a generous drizzle of olive oil in a pan. Add in your choice of meat and sear it until it's browned on all sides. This simple step unlocks a world of flavor that's going to infuse the entire dish. Once your meat is nicely browned, add chopped onions, garlic, and a medley of spices. We're talking about cumin, coriander, turmeric, and paprika, the soul of Moroccan cuisine. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Stir everything together and let it simmer until the spices are aromatic and the onions are soft. Next, it's time to introduce the vegetables. Carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes all add vibrant color and a variety of flavors to the mix. Add them into the pan and stir well, making sure everything is well coated with the spices. Now to the couscous. Remember the couscous you rinsed and set aside earlier? It's time to bring it back out. Add the couscous to the pan, stirring it well to ensure every grain gets coated in that flavorful spice mix. Then, pour in some hot vegetable or chicken stock. Cover the pan and let it simmer gently until the couscous is tender and has absorbed all the liquid. And voila! You've just made authentic Moroccan couscous at home. It's a symphony of flavors and textures all in one comforting dish. So, to recap, start with rinsing and draining the couscous. Brown your choice of meat in olive oil, then add onions, garlic, and a spice blend. Stir in a medley of vegetables, followed by the couscous and some stock. Let everything simmer until the couscous is tender and has absorbed the liquid. Keep in mind that the beauty of this dish lies in its flexibility. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables and spices to suit your taste. Just remember, the key to great Moroccan couscous is in the layering of flavors. So take your time with each step, and don't be afraid to be generous with your spices. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making Moroccan couscous at home. Now it's your turn to take this knowledge into your kitchen and create your own Moroccan masterpiece. Happy cooking!